the like the baseball bat, right? And you're like doing moving on with slow R1. I don't think you're allowed to do this.
Not having realized that he was being watched by a cop.
You're not allowed to do that. Not allowed to do that. Not very smart. Not very smart. Didn't anticipate that, did ya? Did not anticipate that. See, if he had a Cardo Pack Talk Bold, he would be able to listen to the GPS recommendations of not doing that.
How's it going? Close the door. Yeah, I'm good.
You made a boo-boo.
Put your hands on the handlebar. Is that recording?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So why are you going around barricades and
So
stuff?
I was just trying to get a little closer.
It
Sorry
doesn't
about
matter.
that. There
Why are
wasn't
you
much
going around
parking.
barricades?
There wasn't much parking. Sorry about that.
Sorry?
I was just trying to find some good parking.
Okay.
It's hot.
No.
License with you?
I do.
Let's grab it real quick, please.
Just don't lie.
That's fine. Just stay away from the rifle
Yep.
as best you can.
Just don't lie. You know, just say I screwed up. I was messing around, dude. I didn't mean
I
to.
was just melting back.
All right.
See what's going on?
Exactly, JC. He's not having any of it.
Phone.
Okay, going forward out.
See, that's another. Let's take a look. The cop has a modular helmet.
Road closed barricade sign is just fine.
This is the first one. I thought this road was open, to be honest. That's why I was like,
I want a modular helmet just for this
yeah,
reason, so I can
got too
speak
close.
to students
Well,
and have that mic
You can
system
turn
too.
around an 838-pound Harley in a matter of real close. I'm sure you can turn this a little
Yeah.
bit closer, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly, Scarlett. Stay away from the rifle. I don't know what.
I gotta take off my helmet so it recognizes my
That's
face.
fine.
Does he have a? Does the guy with the bike have a?
What you got on you?
One more.
Okay. Just do me a favor and stay away from
Yeah,
it
you're good.
as
It's
best
on.
you can.
Yes, sir.
Whoa. Whoa. No wonder. So I have a feeling. Okay, here's the thing. You have to think from different perspectives here. So we usually think from the motorcycle rider's perspective, right? We think of the motorcycle rider, and we're just like, hey, you know, we're just riding. It's our rights. You know, we get to do this. We get to do this. This guy probably has a rifle and a sling and has a pistol. Okay, think about that. Think about that. A firearm and a pistol, or a rifle and a pistol. Not a big deal. It's okay to me. But now couple it with going through barricades, going to a demonstration or some type of race or some type of event. What do you think the cop's thinking? So we're doing this.
Decided to take a shortcut, not having realized that he was being watched by a cop.
You have to be aware of what it is you're doing. We're going to go through the barricades to an event with people, hop off the bike right here, perfect opportunity for somebody with bad intentions to do something. I'm not saying he doesn't have bad intentions, I don't think. Now, it looks like he knows to put his hands up because he knows he has firearms.
How's it going? Close the
Your hands away
door.
from that.
Yeah, I'm good.
Put your hands on the handlebar. Is that recording?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So why are you going around?
So the cop is actually doing a pretty good job because you have to think from his perspective. A guy with a rifle going through barricades and then stopping right here. He could be an active shooter. But I'm going to just pull him over and he's doing okay, so I'm going to talk to him.
A 38-pound Harley in a matter of real close. I'm sure you can turn this a little
Yeah.
bit closer, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I gotta take off my helmet so it recognizes my
That's
face.
fine. How many other firearms you got on you?
One more.
Okay. Just do me a favor and stay away from
Yeah,
it
you're good.
as
It's
best
on.
you can.
Yes, sir.
So, cop's doing a great job. Exactly, Alan. What can we learn from this? From this last one? Don't go through barricades with a rifle and another firearm. And then don't lie to the cops.
One more.
Okay, just do me a favor and stay away from.
Yeah, you're good.
the
It's
best
on.
you can.
Yes, sir.
He is good. So this is a car's perspective, because it's a very different looking motorcycle. Oh, gosh, when people hit that hard, you would think like broken everything. You would think like arms would be shattered. The human body is very resilient. Very resilient. Let's take a look at this. So this right here, let's go about 75% speed right here. The body is very resilient. Look how far off to the side he is. So I'm thinking gravel got him. But it might have been just not doing enough steering, honestly. Just not enough. Went a little bit too wide. We weren't going fast. So there's the immediate traction loss. Now, who knows? It could have been gravel, but look at what we also have, everybody. We have a stop sign. We have people stopping. So maybe we're going too wide. We weren't looking where we're supposed to be going. And then all of a sudden, we're feeling pretty confident. We looked up. Oh, crap. Smash. So we smashed the front brake. Maybe hit some gravel. Let's take a look at what happened. So there's that impact. And that's what I'm saying. It's like, it's very crazy how resilient the human body is. Rolling around, not in a good mood, hurt. So Rainin, what's that with the walk confusion? So let's go ahead and go back just a little bit. We talk about in the rescue card that we have on the shop, but here's the thing. If you want to just go ahead and pause the video so you can see what the rescue card stands for. So just go ahead and pause it so you can have it yourself. That's what the rescue card stands for. And then here's the back side. So head injury symptoms, spinal cord. So what is the head injury symptoms? Let's go ahead and make it a little bit easier. Head injury symptoms. Disorientation. Loss of balance. Big head injury symptoms. Let's go ahead and make it. It's going to be. There we go. We can see me pretty good. So I have a feeling he's got some form of a head injury. Concussions can show up, hit you. You get a concussion. You're still there, but it's going to mess up one of the things, two of the things, three of the things that your brain can do, and you get out of it pretty quick sometimes. So this one right here, it looks a lot like a concussion, and he's trying to grab his balance. So think about doing the, like the baseball bat, right? And you're like doing, and you get dizzy, and then you start falling over. Yeah, it's like that. So this is when you can rescue another rider. All right, moving on with this one. Here we go. Oh, uncommon thing in a common situation. Got side of the vehicle. What are you doing, mister? Get out of there. Good job. Moved on. That's it. Yep, exactly. So roundabouts are just like intersections, orange stage, prepped and ready for anybody doing the side of the vehicle path of travel violation stuff. We got side of the vehicles right there. Path of travel violation right here. Good job not hitting them. Boom. Out of the way. Come on. We see this all the time. It's non-issue stuff. Ooh, beautiful view. But let's look forward. Pay attention to the bird. There we go. Got out of there. Good job. Woo-wee. Just enjoy your day. You know I love having my phone on the handlebars so I can see what turns are coming up utilizing my GPS. The best way I think you could do that is using the ROKFORM mount. I use it for my mountain bike, the little FTRs, and then also the big boy FTR that I ride. And guys, links in the description for a discount. Check it out. You're gonna like it, and I'll be seeing you around.
Doesn't give up and still stays on his side of the road.
Yeah, the horn worked. The horn worked, huh? Yeah. Yeah, the horn totally got that person out of your way, huh? Yeah. Let's take a look at that, because that's what's important here. And then we'll just play it through. Okay, this is the first screen right here. We're going to get cut off. So we're going to get cut off. Now, take a look at his finger. Let's look at what's happening. Take a look at his finger. Okay, this is the moment we perceive reacted to the horn. This person in the van is not going to move. Look where we are, though, right when we did something. We have brake lights up ahead. If we just applied the brakes right now, we can let this person in. Boom, done, right?
Doesn't give up and still stays on his...
So we got in here. It's not a safe maneuver. Not a safe maneuver. You have two options: speed up or get back. That's it. The horn didn't do anything. So stop using the horn in emergency situations. Use the horn in non-emergency situations.
Look where the you're going, you.
Did he get bit by a zombie? Hey, you might want to get that checked. Yeah, it looks infected. It looks infected.
Oh.
Anyways, robot monster. Here we go. Riding around. Okay, so we saw something on. Good job. Good job. He saw an uncommon thing in a common situation and moved over that, and only a motorcycle can do this. Look at this. This is your escape path sometimes, and you could do it. I love it. So let's take a look. So he started moving over already. So he's right here, good position, sees something way ahead. Oh, we're going to move over. So this vehicle was in our lane passing everybody. And we also have this vehicle passing everybody, not giving us enough room to be safe. So he's positioned himself for safety right here. Located the hazard, just adapted. A navigation, excuse me, I had to burp. A navigation would be like right in here. Oh, crap. And then swerve into here. But if you can locate the hazard far away, you could just kind of stay right here and you'll be fine. So very good. And then if we're right here and this person decided to even get any crazier, you can maybe do something if you had to. But very smart rider. Love it. Look at this. Got himself out of the way. Maintain that line. So it's not a slow straight line. We're doing kind of a faster straight line, but this is where it's very important to know what you can do with your bike. So parking lot skills work. Very good. Yeah, it's a very, very small HOV lane. You're right. New quote of the day. All right, moving on. Right, big open lane. So there it is. Patterns, everybody. Patterns.
Hey, look.
So here we go. Let's look at this again. So we got a big open lane and a big lane that's slow. Merging issues, typical.
Come on, dude.
Moving on. Simple as that. Right? Big open lane. Lane is going a little bit slower. I'm going to move over. Okay, moving on. Whew, I feel dizzy. Here we go. Moving on. So Chow's, hey, it's a side of the vehicle. Side of the vehicle. You know, if you had a ROKFORM mount, though, by the way, your phone would still be on your handlebars. I think your phone fell off. All right. So right here, intersection, side of the vehicle, not an issue at this point. The person comes out. Go ahead and roll up the throttle. Apply some brake pressure. Don't put your hand off to flip off. Just go ahead and keep it there. Start looking around for some other issues, okay? Non-issue. Happens all the time. You can handle it. Can't see nothing.
The road conditions weren't already enough of a hindrance. This biker can always count on the drivers.
Can't see nothing. And that's one of the big problems out at oh, side of the vehicle. Good job braking. That dude ran a red light. That truck ran a red light. Yeah, the headlights. Look how terrible the light is. So that's how much you could see with motorcycle headlights. So I don't know if he was gonna chase the guy down. I wouldn't do that. But take a look at this. Out of nowhere, side of the vehicle. It's green for us. Out of nowhere. Very, very scary situation. Now, if we're out in the middle of like this, I'd put on my high beams. And that's another thing you want to look at is that your low beams, how good are those low beams? Can you see with your low beams? If you can't see with your low beams, you need to upgrade your low beams at least. You need to upgrade your headlight. So take a look at your headlight. Make sure it's actually functional. Make sure it's actually what you need it to do. It's a green for us, and we're going through it right here. And thankfully, he was able to brake enough. Remember, look, we didn't stop. So take a look. Take a look. We didn't stop because we couldn't stop in time. Total stopping distance is past the intersection at that point. So all we have to do is slow down enough to allow that person to go through or find an escape and swerve. Did a very good job with that progressive brake pressure. Did not panic. It's at nighttime. Amazing job. Saved himself. Saved himself. But that's one thing that we can talk about. Okay, so we got side of the vehicle, good progressive brake pressure, but look at the headlight. If it's really bad and you can't see very far, think about upgrading your headlight. If you like today's video, make sure you click this video right here to keep watching more. But if you want to become a smart rider, click this and grab this Smart Rider Basic Training ebook. It's going to help you become a smart rider by planning your ride, rescuing other riders, knowing what patterns to look for, and so much more. Make sure you grab it. Link will be in the description also. I'll be seeing you around.